Thank you for tuning in to one of ACM's quick Excel tips. Today's tip features the concatenate function, which is a quick and useful way to combine data from multiple cells into one cell. You can also use the concatenate function in your formulas. Although concatenate can be used in many and more complex ways, in this example, we will use concatenate to string together employees' first and last names to generate employee email addresses for a company database. First, click in the cell that requires the function and click in the formula bar. Begin the formula using concatenate and apply the cells containing employee first and last name, beginning with parentheses as shown. Next, you will add the remainder of the email address in quotations and finish the formula by closing the parentheses. You will see how concatenate joined the first and last name together in the formula return. Drag down to apply to the remaining empty cells. Are you interested in learning more and enhancing your career? Come check out our website at www.acmpm.com. Here you will find our training schedule along with the training products that we have to offer. For more information, please contact ACM at 734-995-9640. We would love to hear from you. Also, visit our website at www.acmpm.com. Administrative Controls Management is established at a variety of locations, including Michigan, North Carolina, and Ohio. Our vision is to be your first choice for project management. Our mission is to provide the most timely and cost-effective solutions to clients' project management concerns. ACM is the first approved education provider as certified by AACE International and a Project Management Institute Global Registered Education Provider. Once again, thank you for your interest in our courses and what we have to offer. We look forward to hearing from you soon.